Okay, hi guys, and welcome to another episode. Today I'm just gonna make a quick unboxing. So, okay. Comes with paper, okay. Not very interesting. Oh, nice. It comes in a packet like that. With a leather sheath. And some kind of rubber rings. I think it's for the water resistance of the whole thing. So now let's have a closer look. Wow. Wow, now that looks amazing, guys. I'm really impressed. Really impressed. It's crazy heavy, guys. I think you can't even have that in your pocket. I mean, I'll weigh it in the review, but okay. Let's continue. So this is the brass variation, which I think is the one I would have chosen if I had bought only one. So let's move on. Brass variation. Okay. I wonder what that is. Okay, so how do you open that? Yeah, thank you. There it is. Now, I wonder what that's. Maybe for humidity or something like that. Yeah, so we don't need that at all. Wow. I must say I'm pretty impressed, but I'm quite surprised by the weight, and maybe not in a good way. Let's open the other one. Still the same paper. Oh, and this one is in a different packaging. Yes. Still the same. There, up. So, just to show you very quickly the three different variations of the LUMINTOP Prince flashlight. So as I said, first impression, impressive for the price. It really looks like a custom light. It looks a lot more expensive. So, not working. Let's open one to see inside very quickly. So it's copper in the inside. Why isn't it working? I see why. Wow, the battery, man, is huge. That's probably, yeah, that's where the weight comes from, mainly. Still, this is quite heavy. Okay, so, actually, I'm going to try this one. Let's take this off. That's really nice to see that it comes with a battery. It's a rechargeable battery. That's good news. Before I don't have the machine to recharge them, but could be worth investing in that. It's a bit strange, it's copper in the inside and brass on the outside. Oh, wow. That just went into my eyes. Cool, thank you. How do you switch that off? Beautiful, really beautiful. I won't give you too many details. I'll make a full review of the three, compare them, I'll try them and give you my my opinion. As a complete newbie, because I don't know anything about flashlights. So stainless steel, copper, brass. Okay, don't understand how it works, but I'll get into it in another video, so stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye bye.